Say cheese. Oh no, I was taking a picture of myself.
Oh, I was like, alright. What?
I don't know any more tricks.
What do you mean? I'm taking pictures of my own self.
What?
See?
Oh, wow. Funny face. Hey, you want to be in my picture?
I'm sorry, I'm just taking a good... Yeah. What do you think? Think that looks good?
I took a picture of yourself.
Yeah. I just, I like taking good selfies. I do an Instagram.
Nothing wrong with selfies.
Yeah,
No, I was taking a selfie. Is that good? It's funny. It's like a,
oh, that is cool. I like that.
it's like a filter.
Yeah, but it looks good now.
My kids like it.
Oh, I'm sure. I was just teasing you anyway.
Okay. My view.
There's a gun in the back of my head.
Don't mind me, I'm trying to get a picture of the background back here. See? Yeah. You know, over there. There used to be a building over there. I actually burned it down when I was 5. Yeah. I didn't know what I was doing, you know. Oh, I'll just take a picture of myself. Oh. My front camera don't work.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Feel like a movie star.
I do. We're taking pictures of ourselves.
Oh my god. How you taking a picture of yourself? That's cool.
Looks like a baby doll? What? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I'm scared.